mushrooms. But they're still going along very, very good. That one's really good. The one in the centre hasn't really changed. So they're going along very good, like amazingly. And we're almost ready to eat these yummy mushrooms. So I'm just going to start spritzing. There. What just happened there? So, I forgot to talk about my big friend right here, not very little any, and his name's Mr. Cuddles. But you can just call him Cuddles. So, Mr. Cuddles, do you want to hold that for me so I can just do that? So, I'll see you later on. Bye! Growing mushrooms! Today we're going to be spritzing mushrooms. First of all, I hope you enjoyed those special macro shots. So, let's get straight into it. This one right here is doing amazingly good. Look how big it is. Soon it's going to be ready to munch on. Let's start spritzing. Oh, this thing's almost out. That's about enough. So, I'll see you tomorrow with Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. So, goodbye!